Hello GD2, and now let's go back to our part 2. Now what we're gonna do is to put text here, over here. Then if you cannot put here, it's not a problem. Let's go to our split, and it's outside the div. Let's put it from the left, and it's inside. Now let's go to our text before, the lorem. I gave you before that lorem GD2 advanced elements. So copy it, Control C to copy, highlight mo muna, Control C to copy, and let's paste it over here. Then Control V to paste. There you go. Let's see the result. Now, as you can see, nag-collapse siya. So why? Let's go to left to find it out. Why? Kasi naka-define ang ating height into 200. So let's remove that one para automatic siyang bumaba. See? Okay. Good. Nice. It's not done yet. Let's go to that left and let's go to our block and let's make this justify to make it wonderful para even siya. And let's go to our box and let's make a padding of 10 each side. There you go. So it's wonderful. Okay, why it went down? Because sumobra tayo sa padding. 10 dito and 10, it's 20. This is 200. So let's remove 20 in this right. So let's go to our right deep tag. Let's go to box and let's put that 180 because that's 200 minus 2 and T is 180. Apply and it goes up there. Okay, now let's put things over here. Bakit nawawala? There. Okay, so let's put the 3 pictures over here. Now let's put first a space. So let's make a deep tag. There you go. And let's put that after startup tag. Saan siya? Lalagay natin sa loob ni right. So let's make this ID space. Space 1. Okay. Let's click OK. There you go, the space 1. Let's define the rule for that. Okay, national option is right. This is okay, and let's click this box. Let's just make the height 10. Okay, apply and press OK. Now let's remove that thing over there. Okay, let's remove that. No. Control Shift. Naku, tanggal lahat. So let's be very careful in removing. There you go. We have now the space. Now let's make that image holder. Insert deep tag. This time you have to after tag. Go to after tag. After tag ni space 1. There you go. So let's make that ID pix 1. So got there. Press OK. Let's define the CSS rule for that. Let's press OK and let's go to box. Let's define the height to 100, the width to 170. We're not done yet. Let's go to our border. We wanted to put the border, make it solid and make this pixel 1 and let's make the color number 300. Let's hit apply. Okay, you can see now there. Now let's go to our box first and let's make the margin right auto. Let's uncheck this one and let's go to our left auto and apply it. There you go. Now we're not done yet. Let's go to our background and let's browse the picture logo. No, this one, picture 1. Okay, hit OK and apply and OK. Now let's remove that text over there. Okay, next to do is for us to make another space. Insert div tag. Let's go to after tag, and let's go to after your pix1. So let's name this sp space 2. So let's click OK. There you go. Let's define that CSS rule. Okay, and let's go to the box. Let's make that 10. Okay, then let's remove again these things over here. Now it's time to put our second one, but before that we have to go to the right kasi nga nasa 200 lang ang pixel niyan sa height niya. So we have to go to box and delete that 200. Hit apply, it will collapse over there para dire-diretso sa baba. Now next thing you have to do is to make your second pix holder. Insert div tag. Okay, let's go after tag of who? Space 2. And let's make that ID pix2. That's okay. And there you go. It's good. Now what we're gonna do is to define that one. Okay, hit OK, then go to your box. Let's do 170 to 100 height. Let's go to border. Border is solid, and let's make it 1, and let's make this color number 300, and hit apply. Let's see. Okay, now let's go back to our box, uncheck this margin, and go to your right and auto, left and auto, and hit apply. Okay, now next thing to do is to go to your background. Let's browse that one, the car, click OK, and OK, and hit apply, and OK. There. Now let's make another space for this to put our third photo. So let's make insert div tag. Okay, let's name this after tag of who? Picture 2. So let's name this space 3. Let's hit OK. Then let's define that rule. Okay, there you go. And let's go to our box. Let's put to 170. And this is 100. And let's make this margin right auto and left auto. Okay. Now the next thing we have to do is to go to our border. Let's put that to solid, and let's put number 1 pixel, and the color should be number 300, and let's hit apply. There you go. What did I do? Okay, no problem, we can fix that later. Let's go here, background, and let's browse the image 3. Okay, apply. It's there already, but we don't have, see, we hadn't put our space over there, space 3. Maybe it's not defined, so let's click here, the space 3, the box. Oh no, space 3 is the, okay, let's remove that one. Delete it. Okay, what do we have there? Space 3. Do we have space 3 there? Yeah, so let's define that space 3. Wala na. Then it's better for us to Control Shift. There you go. That's better. So what did I do to remove that one? It's Control Z to undo it. Now what do we have here? Okay, let's put now our space 3. Let's go to our insert div tag and insert after tag of pix2. Now let's name this space 3. Okay, don't put any space over here, okay, so you will not have problem later with your CSS rule. Now hit OK. Let's define that straight through. OK, let's go to box. Let's put the height of 10 only. Okay, there we go. So let's remove that there, and let's make our picture holder. Insert div tag, the third picture. So after tag, after ni space 3. Let's name this pics 3. Dito dapat yun. Okay, and let us try to define the CSS rule. Okay, hit OK. Then let's go to our box. Box height is 100 and this is 170, and margin, and click that one, make it right auto, left auto, and apply. It's the same thing with what we have earlier there. Okay, let's go to our space picture 3. Let's go first to our border. Let's make this solid. Let's make that 1, and let's make this number 300. Apply. Not yet finished. Let's go to browse. Let's browse the number 3 picture. Click OK and apply, and hit OK. Okay, it's there now. Now the last thing we have to do is to make our chat room box. Okay, first we have to put again our space. So let's do after tag, pagkatapos the picture 3. So let's put the space 4. Hit OK. Let's define that and put OK and put the box into 10. Lahat ng space 10 pixels ang nilalagay natin. So that's OK. There you go. Let's erase this one again because we don't need it. There. Now we have to put our chat room box. So let's insert div tag, and let's insert after tag ni after ni space 4. Dun sa baba ni space 4. Dito. Okay, then let's name that chat room box. And let's hit OK, and let's go to our to define our chat room box. We have to press OK. Let's make our width 200. No, 170, and let's leave the height. Okay, let's leave the height nothing. It's 0. So don't put anything over height. So let's uncheck this one. Let's make it right auto and left auto with the margin, and hit apply. Okay, so let's remove that one. Oops, wait. It's defined already. When you delete it, it can't be removed. It's there, still there. Now let's go here to our split design. So you are now inside the chat room box div. Go to that folder that I've given you and open the www.cbox.ws. Go here, make an account here so that you can have your own chat room box. You can define it, you can edit it, whatever you want. Go here, have an account from here. Double click. There, it's already highlighted. Then let's copy, Control C. Let's go over our tag. So Control V to paste it. There you go. So as you can see, let's see what happens. It goes down. Why? Kasi malaki yung width niya. So let's define the width. Let's make this 170, and let's make the height kasi mataas siya 155. Okay, and let's do this also to 170. Let's see what happens. Okay. Let's try to hit. There you go. Now there's something wrong. Let's hit F12 to preview what we have done, and let's save it. Okay, yes, and let's see. Masyadong, oh my, masyadong. Siguro let's make this bigger, the text. So let's make the text. Let's go to our Dreamweaver. Then let's go to our design. So let's do, where's this one? That's the right, left here. Double click that one, and let's go to our type. So let's make that 12. Hit apply. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so let's press F12 to preview. There, so konti pa. Siguro let's make it 57. There you go. Let's go to our chat room box. I will click that one, and let's make a little bit. Where are you? No, not from here. Let's go here. Click mo to. Let's go to your split, because we have to change the height of this. Siguro let's make this 57. Okay, let's see. Press F12. Okay, maingay siya. Yeah. Okay, there you go. Now it's done. This is my tutorial to you, the second part of my tutorial. I hope you like it, and I hope you can use it in your first website. Okay. Now this is Peter again. I hope you like it. I hope you like my tutorial. Goodbye.